Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm doing a nail video and I'm using this Polygel, that color, and I'm gonna squeeze it out onto my pinky finger. I do not like to use the spatula. The spatula gets really sticky and it's just a mess, and I like to have it clean while I'm working with it. So no, that's a no. I don't use the spatula. I just squeeze it right out the tube. And now you see me patting it in. It's best to pat both sides of it in. And this video went fast, okay. And that's the pinky nail all completed with the Polygel. All I have to do is stick it in to the nail lamp so that it can cure. But I thought that maybe I should just try to put the Polygel on all of my nails. Of course I have a tip on. I forgot to mention that part because I had already prepped my nails with the tip and the base coat and everything. But yes, I am really considering that I probably should have cured in the nail lamp because it's about to get really sticky. I'm just patting this ring finger in of the Polygel, and yeah, it got sticky, y'all. I'm telling you, I just want to do all nails with Polygel without curing. I wanted to cure them all at the same time. So yes, I'm using a Polygel nail kit from the last video, and I'm not sure what number I'm using. I just pulled one out that I thought looked it full that I didn't use yet and start using it. So you can see it's kind of like a clear with a pink tint in it, and I'm just gonna push that into my nail and the nail tip with the nail brush. And I am using the nail liquid that came with the Polygel nail kit. And when it runs out, baby, I'm replacing it with some alcohol. Now I'm still pushing the Polygel out of the bottle. I was trying to make sure that no air bubbles are coming out, so I want to push it all out at the same time, and it gets stuck, so you gotta wiggle it around until it's like in a circle, because if it's not, it just gets too messy, you guys. Polygel on nail. Let's smooth it out the sides and the top. Smooth out. You gotta spread this Polygel, y'all, like no other. It's not like acrylic. Acrylic just flows to where it needs to go. But Polygel, you gotta pat it or push it in to where it needs to go. Basically, you building you some nails, y'all. And this might look like it's difficult, but once you get the hang of the Polygel, it is not difficult at all. And sorry for you guys, this angle right here, you can't really see what I'm doing, but I'm just patting the Polygel into most likely my pointing finger. And yeah, it gets stuck, so I'm cleaning my brush between each finger. Like, I do not like dirty materials. I kind of tried to show what I was doing, but I still didn't get it in the right part of the camera. I'm gonna get it together, you guys. You guys know my videos are getting better and better. Don't be. I'm trying to show you guys a lot of things, but sometimes I forget to record. Ooh, yeah. That's a nice amount. That is a nice amount. I know I be all over the place. I'm all over the place up in this video right now. I'm talking about this and that, but let's stay focused. We're gonna pat this polygel in. And like, it looked like it was getting stuck and uneven and all of that stuff. Do not get discouraged when this happens. All you have to do is add more polygel or slide the polygel up like I'm doing, and we gonna flip it right back where it needs to go, because we can't be wasting polygel. I know you guys see all that polygel on that paper towel. I know you see all them dots. Hey, that's wasted product. I could have put that on another nail. So that's the reason why I reused that one. Now, I know you guys remember me saying I did not cure my nails yet. So what you see is that sticky mess that I told you was coming up. They are not cured. So I'm just brushing it with some more nail liquid. And I'm about to hurry up and get it in the cure so they can get hard. Finish this thumb out because it was really uneven, you guys. About to become a mess, and we don't need that. No. While I'm fixing this thumb, I'm gonna have to dip these things up in this UV lamp quick, man, quick, because they get really sticky. And then you would have to rebrush it again, because if it got stuck to something, the surface is not smooth anymore. So yeah, we in that UV lamp, we in that thing. I'm just gonna cure it for about 60 seconds. Right here, that middle one, that's 60 seconds. Well, that was right on time. Well, it stopped. So now I'm just checking my nails to see if they are hard. And they were not, so I had to re-cure them again. And I'm re-curing it again for 60 seconds. You guys, so they should be hard by now, and if they're not, I'm just gonna apply the top coat and stick it back in. Bam, there we go, y'all. There we go. This is my nails. I had to apply the product after shaping and buffing my nails and applying the top coat. I decided to do this to my nails. A little plain simple design. My phone had died, so I could not show you guys the last steps. But of course, they'll be in the next video. I hope you enjoy watching this video. I got more to come. As I do my nails, I will record them for you guys. So, tell me what you think. Do you think that you can see yourself purchasing this Polygel kit in the future? The link down below. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe, you guys. I really appreciate all my subscribers, and once I get enough, I will be doing giveaways. You best believe that. Stay tuned for the Too Pretty Show. Share, share, share. Hit that bell so you can get a notification every time I make a new post. Okay? And I will see you guys soon.